Weasel News.
What's up guys, first 30 minutes here. Today I'm going to show you a brief and simple tutorial to add standalone police cars into your game. Say you don't want to replace the normal police cars with the police car you want to use in a patrol. You want to watch this video. It's pretty simple. You only need a few things to do it, and I'm going to walk you through the steps here. So the first thing you're going to need is simple trainer, or any type of trainer where you can spawn a vehicle by typing in the name. This is important because once we add the standalone police car into the game, you're gonna have to type it in to get it to spawn. Second thing you're gonna need is added police car slots. In these files, they have the template needed to add these standalone police cars to your game. So I'll go ahead and download this, give you an example. We're gonna walk together by installing a police version of the Dominator. So these are all the files it comes with. Here are your backup files in case you mess anything up. You're going to want this car variations.meta and this vehicles.meta in the interior list as well. These are all important files. So what I would do is just create a folder on your desktop, call it added police cars, so you have these files. And then go ahead, open that folder up and extract the archive into there. So now we've got that. Last thing we're gonna need is the police car we're gonna add. This time we're gonna be adding the Dominator police car. Links for all these mods are gonna be in the description, so it'll be easy to find. And Dominator, just extract that to our desktop as well. Okay, also the program you're gonna need is Open4. I'll leave a link to that as well. So we're doing GTA 5 on the Windows. Okay, so I went ahead and favored it where my added police car file is, but to get there, some people have a mods folder, some people don't. I do. The mod folder basically overrides the stock ones, but say you have some game breaking issue in this mod folder, you can simply delete it and you still have your default files. It's all about backing all your data up just in case you do something that causes the game to crash. You never want to be in a situation where you cause something the game doesn't like and be stuck like that and forced to restart from nothing. So we're going to navigate to where this file location is. So it's an update x64 DLC packs. We're going in the MP Christmas 2 DLC folder, and this is at dlc.rpf. x64 levels, GTA 5 vehicles, Xmas 2 vehicles.rpf. That's what we're looking for. So you can see all the additional vehicles I have added. I have a lot actually. I have the Volvo I just used in the patrol the other day, right here. I've got the Sand King. I've got a police version of the Fugitive. I got a ton of added police cars in here. A Crown Vic and a Charger when I do my one-off skin patrols. So a lot of stuff in here. First thing we're gonna want to do, your dlc.rpf should just have the basic vehicles in it. So ignore all my additional ones, just look for the basic ones. So first thing we're gonna do is add all these podometer files. So whatever police car you're adding, add all these files into this archive. So you should have them at the bottom here. Pull it up. All right, we got the police Dominator, and here's the texture files right here. Beautiful. Okay, so that's really simple to do. So now you want to head back out to dlc.rpf, go to common data, and here is where you're gonna have to edit these files. So what I'm gonna do first is go into my added police car folder I put on the desktop, open up this car variations file, and you see where it says new police car one, just copy this all the way until you see the second one. So right here, that's a whole police car. We're basically tricking the game into thinking these are all DLC added cars. So just copy that, close that out. And now you want to go ahead and pull your car variations.meta onto your desktop. And here's what this looks like. What we just copied, we want to add. So you can put it anywhere in this structure. These are all the cars. I'm just going to put it in front of my Volvo. I already had it. Copy, paste that in. So now we have a new additional car in, new police car 1. Now here's the important part. Whatever the name of the car mod you just added, you want to type into new police car 1. So for instance, this is Po Dominator. You gotta spell this exactly how it's spelled. Po Dominator. So that's the model name we're adding. And I think that's all we need to add in this file. Yes. So once you've added that, hit File Save, and then you want to go ahead and put your edited file to override your old file. So make sure edit mode's on, go ahead and replace it. Should be slightly bigger than your old one. So now we want to go into the levels folder, GTA 5 vehicles.meta. So we're going to pull this back open, go into vehicles, and we're going to copy a new police car. So start copying this right here, all that. So that's all one police car. Copy that. Text, we're gonna pull this out. You have to pull it out onto your desktop to edit it. And by the way, you're editing all this in Notepad. So I'm just gonna scroll down. You can see all my new ones. The item line kind of sticks out. So you can put this anywhere. We'll put it in front of the Volvo once again. So that paste it in front of the Volvo. So we need to change, once again, new police car 1 to Po Dominator, the name of the file. And you can change the file names to whatever you want before you put them in that .rpf folder. So if you just wanted to call it Police 5, you could have done that, but they're called Po Dominator. So these two need to change to the file name. So here's your handling line. You can use any handling in the game already. I'm just gonna use the Dominator handling line since it's the Dominator. And here you can change the game name. So we'll just do Dominator. And we'll just change this to Police. It doesn't really, you can change that to anything. Okay, so that's completed. So you want to scroll down to the bottom, and this is where you're going to be adding the interior line for the car. So you can see all the other ones I have added: Po Sand King, Police Fugitive, Volvo. So we'll put it under the Volvo. I'm just going to copy and paste this line right here. Copy, paste. Okay, space that out. So this once again needs to change the name of the file you're loading in. Here is where the interior list comes in handy. So add a police car, interior list. We're gonna search for the Dominator and see what line we need to add in. So for the Dominator, it looks like it's just vehicles, Dom, interior. So copy and paste that. Pull this up. And this is gonna go right here into this line. There we go, vehicles, Dom, interior. It just tells it what interior information needs to load. So that's added. Then we want to hit File Save, and once again, go ahead and override your old vehicles file. Should be slightly bigger. And now you should be done. We're gonna load up GTA 5 and try to load our new police car into the game. Okay, now we're in the game. So we hit F3 to load up Simple Native Trainer. We're going to vehicle spawning, spawn vehicle by model name. So type in whatever file you added. So in this case it was Po Dominator. And there we got it. The police car is in the game as a added vehicle. You can spawn it whenever you go on patrol, and it works perfectly. So hopefully this tutorial helped you out, explain a couple of things if you're a little confused on how to add all these additional cars into the game. So far, I think this is my 10th car I've added. So you can add a lot. I'm not sure what the limit is, but we can always go into other DLC.rpfs if we need to add more cars. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next patrol.